In this video, I'm going to show you how to name your PDF documents clearly and consistently using the PDF editor. So you want to get started by opening your PDF design inside of the PDF editor. And on the right hand side, you want to click on this little gear icon right here that is also called the PDF settings. So let's go ahead and click on that. Now here you'll see the PDF file name field, which controls how your document is named. And to change this, we want to click on the pen icon to edit the file name manually. Now we can enter any static text like invoice or certificate or report name and so forth. Now to keep the file names dynamic, you can also choose values from the form fields right here, such as submission ID, form title, invoice date, and you can even combine static text with the dynamic data to create meaningful, unique file names for every generated PDF that you have. And this helps maintain clear naming standards across workflows, making documents easier to manage and track. And with clear file names, it's easier to find the right version or share the correct document and stay organized at scale. And that's it. That's how you can easily manage and identify your PDF documents using custom file names. Thanks for watching and explore more Jotform PDF Editor features, and we'll see you in the next video.